Hello and welcome back to Karavali Days. Today I'm going to share with you this sambar recipe. So let's begin. These are the list of ingredients that I've jotted down. You can use any vegetable of your choice. Here I've used nol, and then carrot, beans, potato. I would say do not use beetroot, it might change the color. First thing, you would have to wash the red lentils. You can use any other lentils of your choice, but red lentils is much more healthier. So 1 cup of red lentils with 2.5 cup of water, 1 to 1.5 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of oil, and then you mix it and then pressure cook it. You also add a wee bit of salt, not the entire salt that you would require for your curry. You pressure cook it for 6 whistles. The reason being, you would want it to be mushy. And if you're new to my channel, I would thank you especially for stopping by, and you're somebody who is supporting me all through the while. A special thanks to you too. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment on the channel. It really means a lot to me, and it would motivate me and support me and guide me to reach the target that I've set for myself. So once you have 6 whistles down, what I would ask you to do is remove the lid off. This is how the consistency is. Then you whisk it with a ladle until it becomes a fine, smooth paste. Add all the vegetables, onion and tomato. Mix it. I added some water just to get so that it is covered on it covers until the vegetables. Added the remaining salt that I would want to. You can adjust as per your taste. 1 whistle. While that happens, take the grated coconut, add the ginger and the sambar powder. I'm going to give you the link in the description box where I have already shared about how to make sambar powder. Add some tamarind also, I forgot to say that. Make the paste by 1 whistle. Remove the lid of the pressure cooker, turn off the gas, mix the grated coconut paste, turn on the gas, while it heats up. This is purely optional. The people from South India normally add a little bit of jaggery, especially Mangaloreans. Add some coriander leaves for garnishing. Bring it to boil. Once you bring it to boil, next thing would be the tempering. 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 2 or 1 red dry chili, 1 teaspoon of mustard seed. I've also taken half a teaspoon of urad dal or black gram, split black gram. Once it starts spluttering, put that into the sambar mixture. This is as easy as it is. Trust me, I'm going to share the link below for the sambar, like I told you earlier, sambar powder. This is the easiest way you can cook. You can go ahead and store the sambar powder in a container, or you can refrigerate it for approximately 2 months and nothing would happen. I've also added curry leaves and Asafoetida or hing to the tempering mixture. Once it starts spluttering, turn off the gas. There you go. Mix it. Your sambar is ready to be served hot with idlis, dosas, rice. The choice is yours. I hope you loved the video just like I liked making this and sharing it with you. Do not forget, please do not forget to like, share and comment. We would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for all your support all these while. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.